In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up the best free moderation bot in Discord. The bot is called Wick. First, we need to head over to this website. I'll have the link in the description. Once you are here, click on Invite. Then it'll take you to Discord. Select the server you want to add the bot to. And make sure administrator is on so that it can moderate. Go to server settings, then to roles. Make sure that you have moderation roles, such as admin and moderator. Go to permissions, and make sure they don't have any moderation permissions, because we will do that soon with the bot. Then head back over to the website and click Start Wizard. And to make the setting up process faster, we will do the automatic setup. Once this is done, press Continue. We need a prefix to be able to moderate users. I will set mine to an exclamation mark. Once done, click Save. Then move to the next step. Enable Automod to get automatic moderation. You can choose what you want that can be automatically moderated. In my case, I will select this. Once you are done, click Save, then go to the next section. Enable anti-nuke to monitor your staff's actions. This will prevent your server from being nuked. Once done, click Save. Then press Whitelist. Here you can choose who is allowed to spam. You can select members, roles, channels, and categories. In my case, I'm going to select owner. Once you are done, click Save, then go to the next section. Join gate will detect suspicious activity when users joining. For example, if a user is new to Discord, it will notice. I don't need this, so I won't enable it. We can skip join raid because it is premium. You can enable verification here. Select Wick CAPTCHA if you want it to create a channel for you. Once done, click Save. Press Setup, and let's see if it works. It has made the verification channel, and now let's see if the verification works. It works, but I can't verify because I am the owner of the server. Now let's head to the next section. This is a rescue key. If you lose ownership to Wick for some reason, it will help you recover ownership of it. Click Regenerate to create the key. Now, you have finished setting up Wick, but now, we need to set up permissions. Go to the Permit section. Then press this plus button. Click Edit Permit, then go to General and change New Permit to Admin. Once you have done that, link Admin to the admin role. After that is done, go to Permissions and the Moderation. Put on the permissions that you would want an admin to have. Click Save, and repeat the process for all your other moderation roles. After you're done, remove the permits the bot gave. Now let's test it out. It works, but I can't warn myself because I own this server. Thanks for watching. If you have difficulties, tell me in the comments and I'll try help. But if you found this video helpful, I would appreciate if you could subscribe.